Hi everyone, welcome back to day 14 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. My name is Chris O'Neill. So glad you're here. I'm so excited about today because I think I know what it is. And I just want to open it. All right, so I'm not going to spend any chitty chat time. So we're going to just open this up. Okay, here we go. I was right. Oh my goodness, it is a charm pack. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at these colors. Can you see them? Look at that. Let's see if I can do that again. There's fuzzies flying all over. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Wandering Ways by Stephanie. I'm not sure how to say that. I will put it up on the screen. I don't want to butcher her name. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. They're tropical. They're just so pretty. Oh, I love getting fabric. I love it. It's my favorite. I know. I can't have fabric all the time, and I really don't want fabric all the time, but it's nice getting fabric when I get it. So excited. All right, that means, and I'm doing a big warning, we're gonna look and guess at the next thing. All right, here it is. Okay. It doesn't feel like a pattern. It's squishy down here. It's hard in here. It's like shaped weird. Squishy up here. What is this? It has to go. It has to go with the fabric, right? It has to. I'm not sure what it is, and I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow to find out. Well, that stinks. All right, let's get to pricing, because I was way off yesterday when I said $5 for the little, what are they called? The sewer's edge thingies. I haven't tried them yet, obviously. They're still in the package. Again, just been a busy week, you know, with the holidays and everything. These are worth a lot more than I thought. They're $10.95, and it is for 5 of these, which this pack is 5 of these. Her website's really cool too, this Marcy Baker. It was really interesting to read about some of the stuff, so take a peek at that. Okay, so that brings our grand total. We're now in the black. We are at $188.90. That's including these guys, not including the charm pack. I paid $179.95. We're at $188.90. That means that we are at $8.95 in the good. Wow. I am just thrilled with this box so far, and I'm so excited to see what tomorrow is. I'm thrilled with the fabric. I love this, so much fun. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I will see you tomorrow for day 15.